Welcome to the Learning Management System of Success International School, Riyadh. Dear students, hopefully you will be doing well in your studies. As the first midterm examinations for the academic year 2020-2021 are around the corner, the SIS Learning Management System is all ready for this purpose. The timetable for the examinations has already been published. Now you are going to witness how to log in for the examinations. First of all, by using your user ID and password, you will log in to your respective accounts of the school's official website. Once you have successfully logged in, you will get your dashboard. This dashboard comprises a very prominent tab with the title of Task. This tab has two further subcategories with the names of Pending Task and Past Task. Dear students, in order to do your examination, you will click on the tab Pending Task. Your timely click on this tab will take you to another page with two options: join the examination and start the task. First of all, you will click the tab whose title is Join the Examination. Here you will see your invigilator or your relevant subject teacher. He will guide you about the examination and brief you about the policy of the system. Later you will click the tab Start the Task to begin your examination. My dear students, before you do your examination, you have to keep certain facts in your mind regarding the policy of all examinations. First of all the students are supposed to strictly follow the examination schedule. Any request regarding extra time, delaying or rescheduling the examination will not be entertained, as the software will be controlling the commands. Moreover, during an examination, the students will be permitted to chat with the host, who is most likely to be your relevant subject teacher. All the examinations will be self-explained. From the beginning till the end or due time, a student will be allowed to review and redo the examinations with unlimited attempts. However, the examination will close once it has been submitted by the student. Every student will be bound to keep the camera mode open throughout the examination. A 40-minute time will be available for each student to solve the examination. No use of sporty website or material will be allowed during the examination. A strict disciplinary action will be taken if a student is caught cheating or using unfair means. The violation of the examinations policy and rules may cause a disqualification. In case a student's device or laptop runs out of battery power during the examination, he will be allowed to change the system and start the examination within the same fixed duration of time. You can also view the previous question. Once you press the button Submitted, you will be asked, are you sure about the submission? This facility will help you to have a great confirmation about your examination. The examinations for grade 4 and 5 will start at 1 o'clock, while those of grade 6, 7 and 8 will start at 2 p.m. All the best wishes, my dear students, and hopefully you will score the maximum marks. Thank you very much.